Hey, how are you guys doing? So today is November the 10th on a Monday, and like I said last week, I made an Excel sheet pretty much showing my checkbook, my rule. I kind of forgot to update it and, make it fixed, which, I was honestly, I completely forgot, but I still, put this up in the morning. As soon as I woke up, looked at these and followed all my rules. Like I said I would not trade until we got this placement, until something that I always take pops out. And like I said, woke up at 9:30, and as you can see, we literally just went lower and lower. I didn't chase for these Asia lows or anything. I was waiting and waiting for something to form in my eyes and something that I would like and take any time of the day. And that formed today. Because as you can see, London low got taken out. If we go to the 4 hour, this 4 hour candle as well got swept over here, touching this 4 hour FAG, making us trying to form a reversal on the lower time frame, or a setup was gonna form. So I was waiting, I was being patient, as you can see. Um, we go in the replay, we go over here. I waited for a 5 minute FPG, and as you can see, we formed one. I waited for a soup because I knew that I needed another confirmation in order for me to go and take these longs because we are overall bearish on the higher time frame like the 1 hour and the 4 hour. But at the same time, we took this liquidity, we went into a premium, we respected it. So that means I want another confirmation. And what was that? This liquidity sweep over here. So as you can see, 5 minute touch, boom, sweep. And as you can see, if we go to the 1 minute, we'll see a CST on the 1 minute, which was pretty much my entry. I had a little to no drawdown. It was only down like at least 9 points, nothing crazy. But I did risk 360. And as you can see, my take profit was over here because this is where I would, expect rejection, especially if we're bearish higher time frame, which is why I sold majority of my position here. And as you can see, I was going to hold another one till the New York high, but I trailed it because, well, PM and lunch pretty much ended, and I didn't really want to, hold it for that long, as well as the consistency rule being 1,200, which I was up 1,000 on this over here. And if we go to the 4 hour as well, which is, as you can see, I took it out and scaled because this 4 hour got taken on ES, which pretty much made me think we would reverse because we were in an area of interest, to reject, especially we could have formed an SMT and, rejected lower. But other than that, it was a pretty beautiful trade. I made $1,000 on this, so I'm glad I followed my rules on this. And like I said, we'll see if we can do the same thing Wednesday because tomorrow it's going to be a bank holiday, so I'm definitely not going to trade that. So I'm going to, take my sleep, take my rest, and keep on following the same rules coming in Wednesday and Thursday and Friday. So till then, I'll see you guys next week or Wednesday, sorry.